Hello, my beautiful friends. I am here today to explain to you how I changed my life and how you can change your life with an easy gratitude practice. First off, understanding the sheer power of a gratitude practice. I have been in the depths of my depths, depression, dark night of the soul. I have had friends and family who've experienced the same thing, who have lost their partner, their soulmate, their dad, their sister, and who have experienced these things. And slowly and surely were able to, through a gratitude practice, completely shift their reality, completely change their lives, take themselves from a place of darkness and being stuck into a place of light and freedom where they can breathe and they can move and they can navigate their lives. And so it's quite simple. It's quite easy. It's literally just a shift of your perspective. And so I'm going to talk to you about how and when you can do this. So first off, let's answer the big question, how? Again, super easy. I'm coming to you today with an easy practice to just be like a quick thing to get you out of your mind, out of the stuck. And there's a couple of ways that you can do this. One, you can literally make a list, sit down and make a list of the things that you're grateful for. Another way is that you can take a list that you already have and you can repeat it. Like maybe yesterday or last week or 3 years ago, you made a list of things that you're grateful for and you saved it on your phone, which I would recommend. Because then in those dark days that you're struggling, in those dark moments, you could be on the treadmill. This is speaking from my experience of when I do this. You could be somewhere random at work, like on your lunch break, like needing a really quick pick-me-up or feeling like you're pull out that list and just read off the things that you said you're grateful for and notice your energy shift. Notice the way you feel literally shifting. My favorite life hack is the easiest way to change how you feel and to get unstuck is to A, use your gratitude practice, but B, the way to do that is to just literally look around and just start naming off the different shit that is in your viewpoint and just say that you're grateful for it. And I know that that might feel kind of odd, but what if I'm not grateful for my curtains? It's not that we're trying to lie to ourselves, not that we're trying to trick ourselves. It's that we're trying to bring our energy and ourself into a state of gratitude. And the hardest part is just to start it. So once you start it, then you can start to feel what you're truly grateful for. And you can start to I can breathe. I can see my reality in my life again. I can feel. And so again, it's by just looking around and just naming off the shit. I'm grateful for the painting on the wall. I'm grateful for my curtain. I'm grateful for my cameras. I'm grateful for my sweater. I'm grateful for the fork. Honestly, one of my favorite places to do this is while I'm doing the dishes, because usually I'm dishes. And also my mind just has space to do whatever it wants while my hands are doing something. Or I'll do it while I'm driving. I'm grateful for that car. I'm so grateful for that bridge. I'm grateful for that tree. I'm grateful for the street. I'm grateful for the sun and the sky. And you notice how it just starts to pick up, and then you're just saying all of these things and you will literally feel the shift in your energy. And so another way to practice this is to literally just off the top of your head, think about things that you feel like you're genuinely grateful for. I'm grateful for my partner. I'm grateful for myself. I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my intuition. I'm grateful for it being a sunny day outside. So there's different ways to access this practice. Say random things that you're grateful for around you. Say things off the top of your head that you're legitimately grateful for. Make a list or access a list that you already made. And you don't have to believe me that this is literally the easiest life-changing practice I could ever share. Try it for yourself. Honestly, don't believe me. Try it. Test it out yourself. Trial and error it yourself and see how you think of it. But I deeply believe that you will feel this incredible shift. Everyone I've ever coached with this, any moment that I've used it, any friends I've shared this with, or anybody that I've known that has done this, has had life-changing results. And the best part is that it's quick. It's so quick. It's like I wake up and I'm grumpy and I'm starting to make my breakfast and I'm just randomly listing off all the things in the room that I see that I'm grateful for. And then I start to feel like, oh, my body loosen. And then I start to actually see my life and I zoom out and I'm like, whoa, actually, even though I'm grumpy about this one thing, which totally valid, I'll look at that. Obviously, something's upsetting me, but it's not that I'm trying to ignore that and just like transmute everything into happiness. Like, no, the shadows and the heavier emotions have a place in life too and are meant to be too. But that doesn't mean, usually when I'm stuck in that emotion, I can't see it clearly. I can't actually see what's happening. So by letting myself zoom out and see my life as a whole, which is what a gratitude practice helps me do, then I'm able to actually see what's going on. What is causing me pain? Let me feel into that anger. Let me feel into that heavier emotion. What's actually going on there? Let me journal about it. And so I continue to work through those things and just feel those things too. But yeah, so try it for yourself. Leave in the comments below what you think, what you're grateful for. If you have any tips on a gratitude practice, what you've experienced. I honestly have no doubt that it will instantly shift your moment. And if you do it on a regular basis, it'll shift your whole reality. It will change your life. And yeah, give it a try. Let me know. I send lots of love and thanks for stopping in.